What's up, guys? It's Mo, and it's been a long time since I have filmed anything. I have some time today, so I'm hoping to get a butt ton of videos in for you all. First off, I don't know what order you're going to see these in, but we're just filming. So I am going to do a flip through of my October planner for you all. I have already moved it because it is December right now. I've already moved it into my storage system, I guess, of my the inserts for 2020. And I was trying to do all of 2020 flip throughs so you could see into my planner in all of 2020. So I've got some to catch up on. But today we're going to do October. So like I said, it's already in here. You can see the flip throughs for and plan with me's for a lot of these spreads on my channel. I will link playlists, etc. But we're going to move into October. Whoops, my bracelet got caught. So this is, I don't know if this layout, this spread or whatever was in my September flip through, but this is the end of September, the beginning of October. And I think this kit is from the Planner Shack. I don't really remember, but end of September, beginning of October, we did Halloween camping on this weekend, and it was a total failure for Marcus. He cried, and I thought he would just be so exhausted and he would just go to sleep. He also knocked his face on a picnic table and then was bleeding a little bit. And then I thought he would just be so tired he would just go to sleep, but I think he was overstimulated and overtired, and so at 1 o'clock, we packed everything up and, we left the tent because I came back. So we drove up on Friday. We drove back 1 a.m. the next morning, I guess, and he went to sleep. And then I took him right from the car and put him into the house, into his crib, and he fell right asleep. So then we went back and did some crafts and stuff, and then we just drove back on that day. So then we'll move into the spreads for October. So this was October 4th through 6th, and I used some rose-colored days, foiled, I guess, days of the week overlay tape things. And then these overlays, I don't know how to really show you guys overlays, but these, they're like leaves. So if I can turn it this way. Leaves. Oh, that's just blinding you. Those are in the shop. And I know I've been promising a foil video, but I'm going to have a foil video. So this was our 2-year wedding anniversary. When did we get married? In 2018? 2 year. I don't remember. We got married in 2018. So 2-year wedding anniversary. Girl, we've been together for so long. I don't even keep track. I don't even know how old I am. But so this is, oh yeah, married 2 years. I wrote it down. This is this week. I didn't finish up the last part of the week for the most part, or write down a little thing for Marcus. Then we go into October 12th through the 18th. So I was doing lots of Halloween type of spreads. I use the Halloween overlays that I have in the shop. Again, I don't really know how to show you guys the overlays because it just gets blinding. Like this one has a little witch hat on it. I don't know. I also have a real runny nose, and I don't know what's up with that. It's been quite a while. And then this one has some bats on it. Anyway, and this kit, I don't remember where this kit was from either. This has been so long ago, but I really like the witchiness of it. And yeah, so that's that week. This week is the 19th through 25th, and this is a Happy Planner sized sticker kit, I guess. I'm real rusty on filming, guys. So you can see, you can really see the hollow or the spiderweb kind of thing. I think I used, no, I didn't use the same one because it doesn't have bats. There's a spiderwebby type of one in the shop that I just used. So there's a spider web there. So this hollow is really good to pick this up. And this printable is in the shop as well. So that, I love this pink. I love the pink and the hollow and just the whole, I don't know. Maybe I used the same. So this was the Standard Vertical overlays, because this one has the bats and the witch hat thing. So yeah, and then this one was for the long vertical, the overlays. So hope that makes sense. But yeah, so I have been really also liking using the character stickers and stuff in here. I wasn't really doing that before when I was just doing the Happy Planner, like, I don't know, more of this style. I wasn't really using, there's character stickers in here, but when I was just doing like this, like using the Happy Planner kits that I make, I wasn't using character stickers, and now I really am into it, using in both standard vertical and like the long vertical style. So that's that. And then this one, I think this kit is from Print Petticoat Bandit. So yeah, this is the Halloween one. I really liked it. I used some overlays, some header overlays that have bats. It's like bats and gold foil. I hope you can see that. Yeah, bats and gold foil from Rose Colored Days. Again, I'm really into the foiled overlays, guys. I'm trying not to blind you. Into the foiled overlays, guys. Like, I'm really into it. Like, really, I'm going to have a video on, again, I'm trying to film today, on how I store my foils. So that is that. And yeah, again, using the character stickers, I really like Print Petticoat Bandit because she has a lot of stickers that you can use. She's got character stickers, she's got like icon stickers that you can use to denote things. And so yeah, so that is my October flip through in my disc bound. I'm gonna still call it a bullet journal, even though I moved away from making specific bullet journal type of spreads. I'm just working in the standard vertical type of spreads right now. So yeah, that is my October 2020 flip through. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will talk to my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.